Hey, happy Tuesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So check this out. This is an update actually on all this sort of Zapier replacement kind of alpha work that we've been doing. So real quick to catch anybody up who didn't see the other videos, basically we have our goal here is really simple. Long term, we want to help you replace Zapier if we can. So we've developed these sort of premium workflow actions. First, we have a couple of them. We have Slack in there, Google Sheets in there, and an inbound webhook, I think, and a custom outbound webhook, which we'll sort of talk about in a second, as kind of our MVP release. So, anyways, currently right now we're targeting the end of the quarter at the latest. We've been testing this in house, so there's a lot of updates that have actually happened here. And Renato has spearheaded a lot of this work, as you can see, did an amazing job. So let's jump in real quick and take a look. So first of all, custom outbound webhook actions. So again, pre-alpha, so only enabled in the GHL account. Users can send data out from High Level into any system and fire a webhook from outside of High Level with any desired data. So what this means is that you can send out, and we'll look at some screenshots, data in any structure that you want. So we won't include any default data in this custom webhook, only what the customer selects and provides. It has an amazing JSON editor that simplifies the body setup and multiple options for authorization, besides everything that we've already have in our normal webhook action, because we actually do have an outbound webhook right now, which sort of throws everything that like in the kitchen sink out and has very little customization to it. It works in most cases, but this is really an upgrade to that. So there's that. Then Slack action version 2 went out, private channel support, send a user. You can sort of see all this stuff that's in there. I won't belabor it. Google Sheets action v2, update specific spreadsheet rows, which wasn't there before. Row can be custom values, so it can be dynamic. Delete specific spreadsheet rows. So that's all awesome and good. Let's see. Let's hit up these screenshots and go through them together. So you can see right here, action is send notification to Slack. And you can see like send a private channel, choose a private channel, kind of what the message looks like. You can see here that you can choose user source. And then here, look at the look right here. So the user source custom email, and you can actually put contact that email. So it's just demonstrating the use of the dynamic values to actually do this, which is awesome. Choose an internal user. You can do that. Okay, now Google Sheets, you can see create, delete, and update like we talked about. And then this is just driving through some of that. Here's the update that we're doing here as an example. And then this is a delete. And you can notice, like, look at the row number there, contact that row number. It's like it's a custom value, really showing how dynamic this can get. And then here's the custom webhook. So this is the ability to event is custom. So we're doing a post. There's the URL. Authorization is bearer token. So this shows like I don't know if there's a drop down. No, not. So you can like different authorization schemes. So for those of you who are doing outbound webhooky stuff, you'll know kind of like there's different authorization methodologies out there, and this just basically allows you to do all of them. So that's cool. And then you can see right there, you can add custom headers, which is pretty cool. Also, again, if you don't understand what I'm talking about right now, that's okay. This is sort of like very much a developer thing, but I like covering it because lots of you will end up using it for something. And then check this out. You can see here, going into that body editor that Renato was mentioning earlier. Not only you can sort of see this is JSON content or JSON or whatever, depending on who you are. Anyways, makes it very easy to do that. He's showing an example of how you can add a header, which is pretty legit. So all in all, this is some really awesome progress. Now, it's pre-alpha, so it's all just internal testing right now on the High Level team, just to make sure that we use Zapier like all of you. We just want to make sure we're doing a good job sort of replacing everything we're doing with it, so that way it works well for you as well. So anyways, long video, but I wanted to go through that. I hope all of you are having an awesome Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next video in just a second.